So what we are talking about? What's the topic? So why it is needed? Same question. Why it is needed? So to promote a business, yeah. So we need a strategy for any business to give directions. To give directions, and so how we have to promote and what kind of plans we do have. What kind of plans we do have. So to say all these things, what we needed. So we need is the marketing strategy. Yeah. So you know about it, and tell me the first point in strategy. Understanding the business. So understanding the business. So the business is out of how many categories? Services, product. Yes. So how many? I didn't ask what are they. I asked how many. Two. Two. Option 1, 2. Option 3, 3. Option 4, 4. Option 5. All the above. So how many types of businesses we have? 4. What are those 4? B2B, B2C, B2C. So service based, product based, and B2C and B2B. Or the second point? Competitor and all this. So what we have to do in this process? Find out our top competitors. So we have to find out our top competitors in the market. Yeah. So we have to analyze what kind of benefits they're providing and why the students are going to that institute or that business, and why the students are not coming to our business. Yeah. So that we have to analyze. Or the next point? Yeah. It's creating platforms. So we have to. So creating the platforms. So for our business online. So what kind of platforms we have to create? So website or application. The website or application. Next. Social media. Social media, how many platforms? 6. What are those 6? Insta, Facebook, Twitter, Facebook, Insta, X, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Quora. Okay, so we have the 6 platforms we have to create. Out of the 6, try to understand the Facebook. We should create Facebook page, and for LinkedIn we have to create LinkedIn page. Yeah. What next we have? So Google page we have to create. Yeah. And next what we have to create? YouTube channel. So we have to create these 4 platforms on internet to create presence for our business and to promote our business in online, to create awareness and also to generate leads and also sales. Or the next. So again, so first we are trying to understand business, we are trying to do the competitive analysis, and we are trying to create the platforms. Now it is time to promote the business. Yeah. So while promoting the business, we have the 4 modules. What are the 4 modules? So SEO, SMO, SMM, and SEM. So what is SEM stands for? What is SEO stands for? Search engine optimization. So what is the definition? What we are doing in SEO? SEO lo SEO చేస్తున్నాం మనం. Website ni top. Okay, so it is a process of making website to rank in top positions in search engine. It is not, it's, you can say Google search engine, but we are implementing it for search engines. Yeah. So now tell me, what are the search engines we know? Google is one search engine. Next, Yahoo. Next, Bing. Next, DuckDuckGo. Next, Baidu. Next, Ask.com, and also Andex. Okay, so these are the top search engines you can remember. The people are using it in the internet. Yeah. So tell me on what are the platforms we can implement SEO. How many platforms we have? Not all. All is fine, but how many platforms we have? Or how many platforms we can implement SEO? 6 platforms. 6. Is 6? 5 or 4. SEO ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయొచ్చు? Google, local SEO, maps. So the normal SEO could be implemented on Google search engine. Yeah. Second SEO is called local SEO. The local SEO could be implemented on Google Maps. Yeah. And YouTube SEO could be implemented on YouTube. Yeah. And Google Play Store SEO could be implemented on Google Play Store. Okay. So we have the four. Sorry. Technical SEO is a part of SEO. Part of SEO. So you see on page and everything. That's a technical SEO. Okay. So now SEO could be implemented on core platforms. That's clear. Got it? Done. And talking about what? Social media optimization. So how we can define it? So it's a process of promoting business on social media by using the regular postings. On what platforms? We have 6 platforms. Yeah, Facebook page, Instagram, and X, LinkedIn, Quora, and Pinterest. And what about this? Social media marketing, it is all about creating the sponsored ads, creating the paid campaigns. So here we have to invest the money. We have to invest the money on sponsored ads. We have to invest the money on paid campaigns. Yeah. And here, so what kind of platforms we are using? Again, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Quora. And here Pinterest would not come into the picture because Pinterest would not have any paid campaigns, but Facebook would have the paid campaigns. Instagram would have the paid campaigns. X would have the paid campaigns, LinkedIn would have the paid campaigns, and also Quora also would have the paid campaigns. Done. What about this? Search engine marketing. So this is basically what? So this is basically the Google ads. Yeah. Now tell me how many platforms and how many of the Google platforms we can run paid campaigns. We can run sponsored ads. How many paid platforms of Google? How many platforms of Google that we can run the sponsored ads or that we can show the sponsored ads? Google platforms lo manam sponsored ads చూపించొచ్చు. First is Google search engine lo చూపించొచ్చు. Second is YouTube. Third is the Google Maps. And fourth is the Gmail. Fifth is Google Play Store. Yeah, 5 are very easy to remember. And last 4 we have GTN or GPN. Google Display Network or Google Publisher Network. Yeah. And what is the definition of GTN and GPN? How we can define? If somebody asks you, that's a full form. So what's the definition? It's a list of websites which got approved for Google AdSense. Okay. So any website which got approved for Google AdSense, so that website is part of what network? GTN network. Yeah. So I'll give you the GTN definition. So GTN or GPN. So GTN stands for, do not forget, important. So you have a separate campaign for this. So Google Publisher Network. So list of websites or apps. Okay. So list of, I can say, let's make it list of websites and apps which got approved for Google AdSense and Google AdMob. What is Google AdMob? What is Google AdMob? What is Google AdMob? No? AdMob is that where everybody would combine and dance at one place. What is that? So I didn't understood that point. Okay, so Google AdMob is the method or is the program where you can monetize your application. So you have an application, you would like to make money from your own application. That could be anything, gaming application or image to PDF conversion application, could be anything. So you can make the money from application, your own application, by using what? Google AdMob. Yeah, so you can earn money from your own application. You are an app developer and you are developing applications, so gaming application or dictionary application, could be anything. Then you can upload into Google Play Store and you can apply for what? Google AdMob, and Google AdMob would start displaying the Google ads on your application and you will start making the money. Okay, so these applications, yeah, Google AdSense is for only websites. So Google AdSense is for both websites and YouTube channel. Okay, so now YouTube is having separate section in the YouTube channel, but before we used to have only one thing. So Google AdSense is for both websites and YouTube channel. Yeah. So Google is giving a way where you can make money from online by using your own website, by using your own YouTube channel, and by using your own application. Yeah. So if you like to make money from your own website and YouTube channel, you have to apply for Google AdSense. Yeah. So for a website, let's say you have a website and you would like to get Google AdSense approval, then you should have a basic requirements like this. Yeah. So Google AdSense, a simple requirements. So you should have unique content, 20 plus blocks, and 500 plus visitors every day. So every day. Yeah. So to get comfortable AdSense approval. Yeah. Sometimes if you're having 100 visitors, you will get approval, but that's sometimes quite difficult then. Okay. But to get a comfortable position, you just need to have the unique content on website and at least 20 blocks, that means 20 web pages. Yeah. And these 20 web pages should generate at least 500 visitors on every day. That could be direct visitors or through SEO process or social media, could be anything. Then you can apply for what? Google AdSense. Yeah. And you will get approved. And after Google AdSense got approved, you will start making the money from your own website. Yeah. So there are a lot of people who are making the money in millions and lakhs also from Google AdSense. And you know about the YouTube channels. Every influencer is making a lot of money from YouTube AdSense. Yeah. So what are the conditions for YouTube AdSense? So you should have 1,000 plus subscribers. 1,000 plus subscribers, and you should have 4,000 plus watch hours. Subscribers, you know about it. What is this watch hours? So watch hour means total time watched by all the viewers. Okay. So what is the watch hour? Total watch time viewed by all viewers. Yeah. So let's say one person came and watched in a video for 2 minutes or 1 minute or 2 minutes. So second person came and watched in a video for 1.5 minutes, and third person came and he watched in a video for 5 minutes. And what is the total watch time? Total watch time equal to 2 plus, yes, 2 plus 2 plus 1.5 plus 5, how much? Yeah, so 8.5 minutes. But so what should be a total watch time to get approval? 4,000 hours. 4,000 hours. That means you should get thousands of views. Combining all those watch time, you should get 4,000 watch hours. Once you meet these two conditions, the Google or YouTube would check for the policy violations, copyright and the community strikes. And if you do not have any copyright and community strikes, you will get approval for what? YouTube AdSense. Yeah. So there are a lot of people. Nan, Vishnu and all those people are making lots of money from YouTube AdSense, and you can even make the money from what? Website also from Google AdSense. In case that you are an app developer and you are developing an application, you can make money from where? Google AdMob. So you just need to have a decent number of downloads. Yeah, at least 1,000 to 2,000 downloads. So at least 300 to 400 active users on every day. That makes to get an approval for what? Google AdMob. Okay. So all the websites which got approved for Google AdSense and Google AdMob and YouTube AdSense would be part of what? Would be part of GDN and GPN. Yeah. And all these websites and applications and YouTube channels, all of them are called as what? All of them are called as what? Okay, publishers. And who are the advertisers? The advertisers? Businesses. Yeah, AveNext is one advertiser, or Inomatics is one advertiser, HSI is one advertiser. Yeah. So the Google is what? Google is in a marketplace where buying and selling is happening. So publisher is selling their own space of the website, space of the YouTube channel, space of the application, and advertiser is buying the space on a publisher platform. Yeah. So Google never owns any other platform except its own Google platforms. Yeah. All the platforms which are used for GDN and GPN are belongs to third-party publishers, but still Google is making the money from it. Okay. So I hope it is clear. The SEM is clear. So by using Google Ads, you can show the advertisements on 9 platforms. Do not forget these 9 platforms. What are those 9 platforms? Google Search Engine and Google Maps and Gmail and YouTube, Google Play Store. Easy to remember. Yeah, and next to 4, GDN and GPN, Google Search Partner, Google Video Partner, and Google Discover. Okay, we have the 4. Yeah, so total 5 plus 4, 9 platforms we have. So do not forget. So these platforms would help you while you're creating the campaigns on Google Ads. Okay, done. So let's move on to the 8th point in digital marketing strategy. Okay, what's the 8th point? Content marketing. So what content marketing stands for? Promoting of a business, promoting a business. Content, simple content. So for your understanding, I'm writing what? Blogs. Yeah. So the blogs would help you to expand SEO scope. Okay, so as of now, you're implementing SEO to services pages or products pages or the home page. But if you have the blogs on website, you can even what? You can even expand the scope of an SEO. Yeah. So there are a lot of people who goes to Google and look for what? So best foods to make strong bones. Again, this is one user query. Yeah. So you can see it. So all these websites. Again, it is coming on a Bing. Now you can see. So all these are called as what? Blogs. Yeah, you can see NHS.uk, you can see Healthline, you can see PharmaEasy, Everyday Health, and WebMD. So all these people are getting website visitors from this user query. What is this user query? Best foods to eat strong bones, and all these things are called as what? All these things are called as in the blogs. Yeah. Now they're trying to promote their PharmaEasy, Healthline, and Everyday Health. Everything is a business. They're trying to promote their business with the additional strategy. What is the strategy? By writing the blogs. Yeah. If it is an hospital can start writing a lot of blogs. Yeah. One of the blog topic is this. The hospital is writing this topic, and the hospital can send this blog topic to their patients and everything, and they can make them to read this. Yeah, and they can even attract the people who are coming to the Google search and looking for this topic. Yeah, I'm the guy, I came to Google, I'm looking for what? I'm looking for this. Yeah, and you're seeing all these things. If I click on this, and this website is getting the traffic. Yeah, and this website, if they have got approved for Google AdSense, and they would be making the money. That means they're trying to use one strategy. What is that called as? Content marketing. During the content marketing, what they're writing the blogs, and the blogs is helping their business to reach more people. Yeah, reaching the more people, that means the blogs would help you to expand the SEO scope. A simple one. Okay, done. Or the next one, 9th. So video marketing. So what is something you have to create? The YouTube channel. So you can always create what? Service bites and the product bites, and also what? The customer testimonials. And what video marketing would help you to create? Trust. Okay, so video marketing would play a very crucial role. People would not believe in text, people would not believe in images, but people would believe in what? Videos. Yeah, if you can make an example for aim next, if you can make some product demos, or if you can make some course demos, if you can make some the student testimonials, and keeping on website, keeping on social media, or keeping on YouTube channel, so would help them what? Would help the new students to get the trust. Yeah, so keeping the patient testimonials on hospital website, keeping the patient testimonials on social media, keeping the patient testimonials on YouTube channel would help any hospital to get the trust. Yeah, just posting a text on website, just posting the images on social media would not help you to create any trust. Trust means namakam. Okay, testimonial means, what's a testimonial in Telugu? Customer testimonial in Telugu is what? Feedback in English. Similar would say after 10 years. Okay. So abhiprayam. Okay, so customer abhiprayam. So it's the most important, and you are capturing the form of any videos, and you're keeping it on where? On website and social media, and also YouTube channel. And if it is needed, you can also keep it on Google page also. Okay, so website and social media. So this plays very crucial role in terms of creating what? The trust. Yeah, so you have to create videos. I've just given examples here, but you can create lot of videos. What you can create again? So you can create interviews, or you can informate that you said anything else, and demos, or maybe a lot of, depends on business, I can say. But I can tell you the popular videos are this. Yeah, service bites means for our next, the codes demos are called as the service bites. Yeah, and product demos. If somebody is selling some product, how's the product review, or anything, that is called product bites. And customer testimonials are by default. If any new customer is coming to your business, and you can show these customer testimonials, and you can make them to have the trust on your business, and that would help you to get more customers to your business, and would help you to get more revenue and more profit. Got it? So do not forget, so content marketing and video marketing also you can include as a part of your digital marketing strategy. Got it? Done. What's the next? What's the next? Mobile marketing. Okay, so I'll give you a few things here. One is bulk WhatsApp, and bulk emails, and email automation, and bulk voice calls, and where? Where? Okay, so after this we'll discuss a little bit below for. What ORM stands for? Online reputation management. Yeah, so this is purely, I will talk about what? Google reviews. Tell me any other platforms where you can manage business reputation. Any other platforms where you can manage business reputation, that means reviews. Yeah, Google reviews, Facebook reviews, Insta would not have any reviews. Okay, Google reviews, Facebook reviews, Just Tell reviews, anything else? No, so like would not have. I'm just giving. No, I have written Just Tell. Rasna. No, Just Tell Rasna. Just Tell is in a marketplace, is an yellow page listing. So let's say I'm going to Google and I'm looking for the best restaurants in Hyderabad. Okay. Okay. So Control C. So if I can go down, is Just Tell is coming by any chance? No. Just Tell Lords is lost. No, do you see Just Tell here? Yeah. We can go to Just Tell would list all the restaurants in Hyderabad. So whatever you want, you will find it here. You want best hospitals, you want best doctors, you want best clinics, or you want anything, you just give your phone number and you will get all the details by default. And you would even get a lot of calls also. Okay, so this is the platform where they would list each and every business. So this is called in a marketplace. So this is called again a yellow pages listing. These are called yellow pages. This is the yellow pages listing website. Yes, paid, purely paid. And that's the reason we do not have it for Mnext, because it is paid. Okay, so we asked them. Sorry? No, Suleika might be free, but Just Tell is not free right now. So to get Mnext platform on Just Tell, you have to pay around 37,000 to 40,000 yearly. So that is their business. So yeah, leads they would give us. Leads they would guess, but again, those leads would be shared by each and every edutech. So whoever convinces that student would go to that edutech. Okay. So just because Just Tell is ranking in the SEO results, Google SERP SEO results, then it is having the more significance over there. And here it is important to have the good rating. Do you see the ratings here? Ratings here, yeah. So people would choose the business based on ratings. Just because Google reviews are more famous right now, the people are not going to Just Dial. But previously, before the Google reviews in previous 2015, Just Dial was very famous. And whatever you wanted, yeah. So they have one customer care number, 8888888888. Some fancy number was there. So if you can call that up and ask them what you wanted, you will get immediately your SMS about all it is that you wanted. Okay. So now you have the Google reviews you have to maintain, Facebook reviews you have to maintain, and Just Dial. And if it is hospital industry, Practo, and if it is restaurant industry, Zomato. Yeah. So apart from that, if it is in a company, so Glassdoor reviews and Mouthchat reviews and if it is company I'm talking about, so AIMNEX could be there on Glassdoor, AIMNEX could be there on Mouthchat, AIMNEX could be there on Indeed, yeah, and so Trustpilot reviews. So these are the platforms where people can leave a review on a companies. Yeah, so AIMNEX could be have the platform on Glassdoor, Mouthchat, Indeed, and Trustpilot. Okay, so and also Java. Okay, so these platforms you can remember, but the major platforms are only these three: the Google and Facebook and Just Dial. But apart from that, if somebody asks you, tell me other platforms where you can manage a company reputation. Yeah, so you can manage on Glassdoor, you can manage on Mouthchat, you can manage on Indeed, you can manage it on Trustpilot, you can manage it on SiteJava. You got it? Yeah. So if at all that, if you wanted to get more websites in terms of managing online reputation, just simply go to the Google and look for, I'm just going to Google. Let's say I know Inomatics. I wanted to know Inomatics reviews. What I can do, I can just keep Inomatics and add reviews. Yeah. And just click enter. So what you see first, Google page that we covered, and just come down. And what you see here, Glassdoor we covered. Yes. And what you see here? Mouthchat. You can write ambition box also. Ambition box. Okay. So ambition box. And what you see here? Just Dial. And what you see here? Indeed. What you see here? Indeed. What you see here? SiteJava. That's it. Rest everything is that you will get in top. In the first page, you will see all these platforms got covered. Agree? You can create profile for free of cost. Yeah, but to manage your profile, maybe to remove some negative reviews or something, they would be having some inner packages. Let's say you have a profile on Glassdoor or Trustpilot and you have very bad negative reviews, or you wanted to reply, or you wanted to increase the reviews, then you should take the packages from there. So every platform would have their own kind of money generation. Yeah, but it's all depends on their own platform making. But in terms of online reputation management, so Google page is most important, and Glassdoor is most important, Mouthchat is important, and Ambition Box, and Just Dial, and Indeed, and SiteJava. Okay, the Trustpilot is more famous for US, not for India, but still going forward, India also might get Trustpilot. Then you have to manage reviews on the Trustpilot also. Okay, so let's replace Inomatics with AIMNEX. Just click on AIMNEX reviews. You will get Google page by default. And Scam Advisor, Naukri. What do you see here? No, that's one of the again website like an ambition box or something. So they would tell you whether that is scam or not. No, they will list it on their own. So every website, whether Google scans and indexes every website, these people also would get each and every website and would list it on them. So this would help them to get the organic traffic on their business, on our business name. Okay. So what you see here, ambition box. What do you see here? Last Monday, but still I'm saying. So the power plat. What do you see here? Indeed. Yeah. So just because we do not have the platforms and they're not ranking. No, maybe Google is just trying to create some relevancy. Okay, done. Three platforms: Google reviews and Facebook reviews and Just Dial. So Practo and Zomato is based on the business. Okay. And apart from that, how many we have? Glassdoor, Mouthshed, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Total, how many platforms we have? 6 plus 3 plus 2. 6 plus 3 plus 2. 11. What are the 11 platforms? First three, most important: Google, Facebook, and Just Type. Okay, first three. So based on business, either Practo or Zomato. 5. Yeah. Next 6. Glassdoor, Mouthshed is very famous. Glassdoor, Mouthshed, and Indeed also you know about it. Glassdoor, Mouthshed, and Indeed. Next you have 3: Ambition Box, SiteJabber, and Trustpilot. Okay, Ambition Box, SiteJabber, and Trustpilot. Okay, so you just need to remember last 3 because you know about Glassdoor, Mouthshed, and Indeed. Yeah, so SiteJabber, Trustpilot, and Ambition Box, the last 6. In between 2 you have Practo and Zomato. First 3 you have Google, Facebook, and Just Type. Yeah, so anytime that people are asking, because these days a lot of companies are hiring online reputation managers. Online reputation managers. So whenever you are hired for online reputation managers, first you should know what are the platforms that you have to maintain the reputation. No, same thing. You just need to go to every platform, reply to the customer reviews and solving their problems and communicating with the support team, communicating with the dev team, and getting the inputs and replying to them and all. Yeah. So there's one role for US clients and Trustpilot manager. So where you will handle only Trustpilot reviews, because daily they will get 30 to 40 reviews on Trustpilot, negative, positive, and everything. So you have to get each and every review from Trustpilot, and you have to give it to support team to analyze and get the feedback and reply to them and solving their problem. So that's your hectic job that I can tell you, but still, so Trustpilot is more famous for US actually. Okay, so they takes care of their reputation very well. So they would have the job role for each and every. Social media 1 person, Google Ads is 1 person, SEO is 2 to 3 persons, and online reputation is 1 person. Yeah, your job is simply to manage the reviews and replying to them on time. Got it? Yeah. So do not forget, in online reputation management we have 3 plus 2 plus 6. We have 11 platforms. Okay. So I hope it is clear. So you have to manage and you have to remember all those 11 platforms. And here, so once you start promoting the business in online, what you would start generating? So leads and sales. So while you are generating the leads and generating the sales, what you would capture? So you would capture name, email ID, and phone number. Yeah. So you have to do some sort of what? So you have to do some sort of re-engagement. So they engaged with us, and you would be re-engaging back to them by doing what? By sending a bulk WhatsApp message. Yeah. So you will send a WhatsApp message saying that we have a demo at so and so time, and you would like to attend. Just click on this link. Yeah. So you will see these days a lot of people are sending the bulk WhatsApp message. Here, the more famous one is what? The WhatsApp. Anything. Okay, so these are most important. We will discuss during our classes, but I can tell you the bulk WhatsApp would help you to create what? The re-engagement with our leads in the sales that we got generated on business. Yeah, so we have the bulk email and email automation. Bulk email, you know about it. Just sending one email copy to thousands of email, that's called bulk email. And what about this email automation? What is this email automation? Anytime that you go to any banking software and logging in, you will get automatic email OTP. Yeah. So for your action, you are getting a reaction email. Yeah. So that's an automated campaigns that the people set up in the backend. Yeah. And you replied on one email, you will get an automated email once again to that. So that is called the email automation campaigns over there. Yeah. So you can remember. So you have what? So MailChimp you have, and get lot of we have get response, MailChimp, get response. What else we have? Mailshake also we have, but these two are fine. Okay, so MailChimp and get response. These two are very good for easy to use and easy to create the email automations. Okay, so bulk email and email automations, and bulk voice calls, you know about it. So these days everybody is sending the bulk voice calls. You lift the call and automatically an electronic voice would come. Yeah, banks, elections, and whatever, Act Fibernet, could be anybody. Yeah, so whoever talks in a phone, Where the human is not available, what they're doing bulk voice calls. Yeah, for every action we have in a platforms. Yeah, so I'll give you those platforms for your practice, but I can tell you, you can still do the bulk voice calls. Yeah, we can even do bulk voice calls for our aim next also. Let's say you're planning a demo on 7 o'clock. On 6:45, you can send a bulk voice calls to everybody saying that the demo is going to start in next 15 minutes. So please check your WhatsApp for the Zoom link. You can do that. Yes, you can do that. Yeah. So this would be very useful whenever you have the large user database. So let's say you have 100 people to remind on demo at 7 o'clock. You cannot send message to each and everybody. And you cannot call each and everybody. What you can do, you can just do bulk voice call. And these voice calls would never go from spam numbers. They will see a number just like a calling from another number. And those numbers are not part of Truecaller. That's the reason these numbers would not be displayed as a spam on a user mobile phone. Yeah, so you can just put 100 numbers and upload your voice message, click on send. That's it. Yeah, all that voice call would go immediately to 100 numbers, and they will get a call like a normal call. Once they leave the call, and you will get that audio recording, and you can send in reminders. So we can experiment all these things, and this would save a lot of our time. Okay, and bulk flash SMS. So this is like in a pop-up. You have a smartphone. So on this smartphone, you will get a flash SMS like this. Okay, yeah, Zomato, whatever it is, we call it as pop-up. However, you see pop-up on website, you can also display pop-up on mobile phone and smartphones also. So this was discontinued before, but it is again started. You can even send in a flash SMS on a mobile phone. So if they will see it a flash SMS, once they scroll up, when they scroll up, this flash SMS would go up. So this SMS would not be part of your messages app. This is like a just flash SMS. Yeah, just to show an emergency notification. So maybe 1 month back you got an emergency notification from ministries, government of India about tsunami and all that. They were doing some trial runs over there. At the time you got a sound and you got a notification. So such kind of things you can do it from where? The flash SMS. Yeah. So you can even do the flash SMS to the students then about the demos and course demo and whatever it is. So that would help you to create what? Would help you to create the re-engagement. Got it? So whenever you have the database, so this is our regular practice that we should do the bulk WhatsApp and we should do the bulk email to them. We should do the bulk voice calls and bulk flash SMS. And that is how that we are in touch with them all the time. And that is our strategy, which one to use and which one to not to use. The people are not responding to email, then you will use bulk WhatsApp. The people are responding more to bulk voice calls, then you will do the bulk voice calls itself. Got it? So for bulk voice calls, the limit is the max 25 to 30 seconds max. Okay, so you cannot have any voice call the more than 30 seconds. Okay, that is the limitation we have in a bulk voice call. Got it? Yeah. So that's it about this 4. I hope it is clear. Yeah. So you should always include these 4 points as a part of your digital marketing strategy to re-engage with your existing customers or existing leads or existing sales prospects. Got it? Done. So what next we have? So 15. So we can do something called what? So what is this? What is this? So what is referral marketing? Yeah. So I said if you have the existing leads and sales, what you can do? You can do re-engage. Yeah. You can also do referral marketing to your existing leads and sales. Yeah. You have an existing student. You can ask a student to refer one more student. For every successful referral, you can pay 3,000 as referral commission. Yeah. So you can ask existing customer to refer a new customer. For every successful referrer, you will pay a fixed or percentage referral commission. Yeah. So this you can always implement as a part of your business. This would always increase your referrals to your business. Yeah, so you can have this by default implemented for any business. Yeah, you can say that you can refer your friends and you will get 2000 as a referral commission. Yeah, so that's how that whenever they have a good reputation, whenever they have a good trust on your business, by default they would start referring to their friends and family and assuming that okay, if I refer this my friend, I will get some 2000 rupees. I'll get some 3000 rupees. Let's say there are like three to four my friends, and all the 3 to 4 friends are joining this aim next, and I will get 8 to 10,000. You got the point. Yeah. So we can also implement this referral marketing, and this you can always list on where you can always list on website. Yeah. So with the name what? Refer a friend. Yeah, you can mention like a refer a friend, and if somebody clicks on refer a friend, you'll open a web page. On that web page, you can put in a fixed commission, 2000 rupees, or maybe you can put in a percentage commission. Yeah, so your friend is paying some 1 lakh, you will get 2% as a commission, the fixed commission. If he's paying 90,000, the 2% of the 90,000. Yeah, so you can define the terms and conditions in the refer a friend web page on website, and this could help, this could motivate, this could encourage your existing customers or students to refer new customers. Yeah, so once in a month you can do a bulk WhatsApp, you can do a bulk email, or you can do a bulk voice call to all your existing customers database that you have, saying that you refer a friend and get your referral commission. Yeah, doesn't matter if that person is joined in that business or not, you can send this communication by using bulk WhatsApp or bulk voice call or bulk email or bulk flash SMS. Got it? Yeah. So try to implement this for Aim Next also. Let's say Aim Next we have some 500 numbers. Started, huh? Yeah, we can do that. Yeah. So but create in a page on website. So refer a friend web page you created and send that web page link to the people and keep a form in that web page. If somebody fills that form, and that assuming that somebody is referring to his friend. Okay, that you can do that. What next? 16 or the 16? So we have the 4 here. So influencer marketing, and next. So mobile marketing and viral marketing. So these are like basic things. Now tell me, what is influencer marketing? So promoting our business by using Instagrammers and YouTubers or online. Okay, so you can ask any Instagrammer or the YouTuber or the online influencer. So any website which is getting a lot of traffic is also an influencer. Yeah, you can ask them to promote our business. Yeah, and there you will pay it for every post, or there you will pay it for a duration. Yeah, if they're keeping a banner on their website, you will pay it for 1 month, or if they're posting one post on YouTube or Instagram, then you will pay it like in a per post. Got it? Done. This is called as what? Influencer marketing. What the next? Mobile marketing. What it means? Okay, so this is a typical to understand, but try to understand. So this is a 1 point here. What is this? So promoting your app to make the people to use your business on the mobile. Yeah, the Android and iOS. That's called your mobile marketing. Along with that, there is something called what? EMP pages. So accelerated mobile pages. So where you create those web pages for only mobile phones. So where those web pages would load very faster on a mobile phone or a smartphone or mobile phone browser, and that we call it as what? Mobile marketing. Yeah. So you have an application, you want to get more downloads, promoting that application where you are making the users to engage with your business on smartphone, and that is called what? Mobile marketing. Yeah, again, to get more app downloads, you will use Facebook campaigns, you will use Google campaigns, you will use YouTube campaigns and everything, but promoting your iOS and Android application for more downloads, and also creating what? EMP pages. So what these are called as? So accelerated mobile pages, these are created separately for your website, for your web pages, to make them to load faster on smartphone. Okay, this is a bit technical to understand, but try to remember this AMP definition. People might ask you this. Accelerated mobile pages. Okay, so these will create for your website to make them to load faster on smartphone or mobile, and this we call it as what? Mobile marketing. Okay, so just come down here. What is this? Viral marketing. What it means? $16, $17. Okay, done. Now mobile marketing. I hope you have written. Okay, what is this viral marketing? Just simply posting on. Okay, I'll not discuss much about it. So posting on trending topics and memes. Okay, if you're creating any memes or posting on trending topics. So again, so wishing the Indian team on this World Cup, or maybe wishing somebody, or maybe creating some memes and all this, or creating some cotton pictures or something. We call it as what? The posting on. And these days everybody's creating the reels on Instagram. Yeah, so how is the work culture and all that? So such kind of content we call it as what? The trending topics. And these content we post it on social media, and that would make the content to go on viral, where you are indirectly promoting your business. Indirectly promoting your business. Yeah, and this is something we call it as what? Viral marketing, and which is posting on what? The trending topics and memes. Yeah, I think so. If you can. We used to do it for mathematics and back in 2022. I don't think so that they're doing it right now or not. So this is something they posted on the trending topic, and not this. We used to post a lot before, and you see this. Okay. So these things will change. Okay. I'm saying, so it's not like every time, all the time that you'll post it, but once in a while. Hmm? Data science. Now this is again their own marketing that does. But I can tell you, you can create such kind of content. Again, the testimonials and all these things. No, we have these employees only. These are the employees only. So she's an Ashima. She used to do before. She resigned it now. And after Ashima, so she's an SEO guy. She's called Ramya. He's a Vinod. So and all these people over there. So she's a new guy. Posters, they have an in-house graphic designer. So they pay almost 40,000 to graphic guy. Yeah. Mm-hmm. No. So you should look at the again. So this Chowdhury is different. Okay. So again, so I'm just saying. So you can see the number of engagements you get it. So likes and followers. Okay. So these things would have the more engagement. Now you see the regular postings. How many? What's the number of likes? 30, 48, and you see the for this in 169. And all these are the special days that they does. So we can just take references and we can just try to create it also. But No, let's be like a responsible citizen, something like that you can keep. So again, this is Hindi again. This kind. No, they'll use this kind of. Mm. No, I know it. It's all about the understanding of the management. Hmm? This is the video. Video is not playing, but this is the normal video. No, that's fine. So I think this is not getting. No, one question would come and below to that. Now again, this is. Hmm? No, so you just need to put some related to our courses. Now this is which got more. It's not playing, but this Balaya, this video would come. I don't know why it is not playing, but. So this is something you need to read first, and so which got almost 800. So again, so these would have the more. Now you see the number of plays and everything more than 1,000. Rest everything 10, 15, 16, and 20 and all that. Yeah. So now this is about the time of box bowling. Yeah. So in every movie that you just need to pick the right ones and you just need to see. Hmm? No. You can create so these kinds. So again, so I'm just giving an example. And this is it. No, they have one or two best trainers actually. That's when they are coping up. If they leave, animatics is nothing. Hmm? They are full time. They're paying a lot, almost 2 lakhs, 2 to 3 lakhs per month. So they will pitch for demos and everything. So people would get attracted a lot. And once they came into the picture, somebody else would come into the picture. Okay, I'm just giving examples here. So these things would come in where? Viral marketing. No, that does on different other networks also, not only Google Ads. So you have some ad media, media clicks, you have different other platforms also, where you just need to create normal campaigns only. Google Ads like it, you have a lot of other. You just see it if it is a Google ad or normal other ad. No, even if it is Therabox also, they might have applied it to Google Ads. We cannot see that. If you can see it in the column, you'll understand. It's a Google ad or normal ad. So they have their own advertising network and they can still do advertisements on it. Okay, done. So forum marketing, what is the forum marketing? So answering the questions on forum to increase our reach. So what is that called? So answering the questions on forum like a Quora. Okay. So Quora would have the great SEO presence over there. So we have a lot of questions over there. You just need to find out the relevant questions on your business. Yeah. And you can try to answer to increase what? To increase your reach. Yeah. And that's called what? Forum marketing. Got it? It's clear. And let's go to the next, or the 21. So podcast marketing. What is the podcast marketing? Yeah. So promoting our business with what? Audio content. So examples: Spotify, Bing, Google Podcast, and Apple Podcast. Anything else? Cuckoo, yeah, maybe that, yeah, Cuckoo FM also. Done. So there are examples where you can create. Cuckoo FM is their own. They don't allow other people to create the accounts.
Subscription or not?
No, you can buy and you can listen to their content, but you cannot create your own channel over there. So now Spotify can create my own channel. I can post my own content on my business. But Cuckoo FM is where you listen to their own content. You will go and you will listen to the books content.
అందులో మనము
సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ తీసుకొని వింటాం మనం బేసిక్ గా బట్ మన బిజినెస్ ప్రమోట్ చేసుకోలేం అక్కడ మనం యూ కెనాట్ ప్రమోట్ అవర్ బిజినెస్
దాంట్లో మనకు రావాలంటే మనం వాళ్ళకి పే చేయాలి
బట్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్ స్పాటిఫై యూ కెన్ క్రియేట్ యువర్ ఓన్ ఫ్రీ ఛానల్ సో గూగుల్ పాడ్కాస్ట్ యూ కెన్ క్రియేట్ యువర్ ఓన్ free channel and you can post your own content in the form of an audio content. Okay, and this is called as what? Podcast marketing. Okay, so podcast marketing, Spotify, Bing, Google Podcast, and Apple Podcast. Video podcast. No. Do we have any video podcast? No, YouTube is different again. So there you can see it. Now I'm saying it is purely an audio content. That's it. Okay, this is purely an audio content. Okay, podcast marketing. And what's the next? Or the push engagements. So desktop notifications and mobile notifications. So what's the best example? Zomato uncle, you always say that, are you hungry? Order biryani right now. Yeah, it's an evening time. Order a samosa. Yeah. So those are called as what? Push engagements. Okay, push engagements. You can send both on desktop. You can even send on a mobile notifications. So if you ask me how we can implement, I'll tell you one platform where you can do it from. This is push engage. So this is a platform from which you can do both mobile and web notifications. The pushengage.com, and remember this platform by using which you can do this. Pushengage.com. Okay, so by using this platform, up to some extent, up to some 2,000 subscribers, you can use it for free, and more than that, you have to go for paid packages. But if you have up to 2,000 subscribers, then you can use it for free. Okay, the push engagements. What's the next one? So CRM, what does CRM stands for? Customer Relationship Management. Okay, the CRM tool is to manage your leads and sales data. Yeah, so you need CRM platform by default, so which would help you to manage your leads, so manage your sales data. Yeah, so how many leads you got for data science, how many leads you got it for cyber security networking, everything you can manage via CRM. So from here, so data would be shared with business development team or communication team or customer support team or customer care team, whatever it is. Yeah, so the digital marketing people would send the leads to the CRM. From the CRM, the leads would be shared with what? The business development team or customer care team or communication team. Got it? Done? 23, and finally 24. So you should know what kind of tools you can use for your business. Yeah. So tools, I'm just giving important tools only. You can remember the tools. So Google Analytics, I'm just writing the benefit in the bracket. So website traffic and Google Search Console. Google Search Console. So SEO results and Google Tag Manager. So website plus third party tools integration. Okay, so anything else? Google Analytics, Google Search Console. Maybe you can use the Facebook Pixel. Okay. You can do that. So to track. Oh, I think we have done it the same way already. Yeah. To do remarketing on Insta. Okay, so these tools are important. So we use Google Analytics tool as a part of digital marketing strategy to know website traffic, and we use Google Search Console tool to understand SEO performance and results. What else? Yeah, again, that's part of Google Ads. I'll just write Google Ads also. So Google Tag Manager, and which would help you to integrate the website with any third-party tools on internet, and Facebook Pixel to do the remarketing on Facebook and Instagram. Okay, Google Analytics and Google Search Console and Google Tag Manager and Facebook Pixel. Okay, and next we also use what? Google Ads. Maybe going forward, so SEO paid tool. Okay, I'm just giving an alternative also, SEMrush and Ahref. Okay, so these tools you will be using it as a part of your digital marketing strategy: Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Google Tag Manager, Facebook Pixel, and Google Ads, and SEMrush and Ahref. Okay, SEO paid tools. Okay, done. You would also use Canva also. You would also use WordPress also. So Canva in a tool, WordPress is in a tool again for website development. So Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and Google Tag Manager, Facebook Pixel, and Google Ads, and SEMrush and Ahref. Done. So try to have the basic understanding. So why it is required Google Analytics? To understand website traffic, how many people coming to website. Google Search Console to understand your SEO results or performance, where exactly I'm ranking in Google, to find out your ranking positions and everything. Which tool would help you? Google Search Console tool. And Google Tag Manager, which would help you to integrate any tools with the website. Yeah, so integrating first website and GTM first. Yeah, remaining all the tools are integrating to GTM. Yeah, the GTM like a middleman, a GTM like a mediator. Yeah, so to decrease the burden on website, you're just integrating the website and GTM first, and remaining all the tools that you would like to integrate the website, you're integrating to simply GTM. Okay, the Facebook Pixel I told to do remarketing on Facebook and Instagram. Yeah, so you have seen some products on Flipkart and Amazon, and you went back to Facebook and you will see the same products on Facebook immediately. And how that happens? That happens via Facebook Pixel. Yeah, so Facebook Pixel would track your data, your device ID, your browsing history, and everything. Based on that, the Facebook would start showing the advertisements on Facebook and Instagram. Yeah, whatever the products you see on e-commerce, the same products you will see it on the Facebook and Instagram, because of which tool? Facebook Pixel tool. Yeah, and Google Ads again to advertise on those 9 Google platforms we have. Okay, SEMrush and Ahref, this is the SEO paid tool to do the analysis on your competitors, to find out the more keywords and everything. You will understand. But if somebody asks you, tell me any SEO paid tools. Any SEO paid tools, you can say SEMrush and Ahref. Anything else? Again, mods. Yeah, SEMrush, Ahref, mods are the popular SEO tools. If somebody asks, you can remember. And Canva is for what? So graphic designing, and also video editing. So WordPress is for what? So website design and development. Okay, done. So WordPress, Canva, SEMrush. So let me give you. So Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Google Tag Manager, and Facebook Pixel, and Google Ads, SEMrush, Ahref, Canva graphic and video editing, and WordPress. Okay, done. Any doubts we have? So I'll give you the common graphic designing and video editing tools. Just remember the names. Okay, the first one is what? Photoshop. Second one, CorelDRAW. And third, remember these names. You need it in if you're working somewhere. Illustrator. Okay. The fourth, effects. The popular tools I'm talking about. Yeah. Premiere. These tools are enough. Yeah. So for graphic designing, these are famous tools that people would use it: Photoshop and CorelDRAW and Illustrator. And somebody wanted to do advanced video editing, then they will use After Effects and also Premiere Pro. So you should remember these 5 tools names. If somebody asks you, tell me any popular graphic designing tools that you know, you can say at least their names. Yeah, the Photoshop, CorelDRAW, and Illustrator, and the video editing tools, then you can say After Effects and Premiere Pro. Okay, done. So if somebody asks you CMS tools, what CMS? Content management system tools, you know about it, I told already. So WordPress and Wix, Blogspot, no. So you can say Drupal and you can say Joomla. So additional, but you can just remember the top 2. But if somebody stresses on, tell me any other platforms you know on. You can even say Drupal and Joomla. So those are like very complex platforms where you need coding also to complete the website development on these CMS platforms. But on WordPress and Wix, you just need to have the basic understanding on the website and where you can design and develop the websites. Okay, so WordPress and Wix and Drupal and Joomla. Got it? Done? Anything else? Anything else? So content writing tools. So content writing tools, the first one I say, what is this? Grammarly. And so you have one more tool called what? WordTune. Okay. So Grammarly and WordTune. So if you like to make a good paraphrasing and everything, you can use these tools, Grammarly and WordTune. So these tools would help you to write content without any spelling and grammatical mistakes. Okay, so Grammarly and WordTune. Grammarly and WordTune. Yeah. So how many tools I told just now? 2 plus 4, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5 plus 4 plus 7 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2. Yeah, how many tools in total? How many tools in total? How many tools in total? Yeah, 18 tools. So these 18 tools you have to remember. Okay, as a part of tool section. So the important tools that I told. So you just need to remember the which tool is for what, and then you will understand all this. Okay, so I told the first 7 important tools: Google Analytics and Google Search Console, Google Tag Manager, Facebook Pixel, and Google Ads, SEMrush and Ahref and Moz, and Canva and WordPress. The first 7 important tools, and 5 graphic designing tools: the Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Illustrator, and After Effects in Premiere Pro. And so 4 CMS tools: WordPress, Wix, and Drupal and Joomla, and 2 content writing tools, and which are Grammarly and WordTune. So total, how many tools we have? We have 18 tools under the tool section. The tools are now which number? 24 number. Okay. So this 24, I hope 24 numbers have you got? Tools is 24th number. So this 24 points, the digital marketing strategy. So you should what? You should remember. I think 24, the tools is 24. 23 CRM, 22 push engagements, 21 podcast, all this. Yeah. So try to remember these 24 points as a part of your digital marketing strategy. Got it? Done. So this is your main important task that you have to remember this 24 points. 21st, yeah? So what thing you missed? Last one is tools. Last before is CRM. Push engagements. Done. Got it? Yes. Yeah. 24 you should remember. So in the night also somebody makes you tell this marketing strategy. So you should say 24. Tell me first one. Understanding of the business. Second, competitive. Third, creating of the platforms. And four SEO, 5 SMO, and 6 SMM, and 7 SEM, 8 online reputation management, 9 bulk WhatsApp, 10 bulk email, and 11 bulk voice calls, and 12 bulk flash SMS, and 13 referral marketing, 14 influencer marketing, and 15 mobile marketing, and 16 viral marketing, and 17 forum marketing, 18 podcast marketing, 19 push engagements, 20 what you missed? 24 is tools, 23 is CRM, 22 is push engagements, 21 is podcast marketing. You cross check it once again. So 24 is what? Tools. 23, 22 push engagements, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, and 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, and 11, and 10, and 9, 8, 8 SEM, 7 SMM, and 6 SMO, and 5 SEO, and 4 creating of the platforms, and third and content analysis, understanding of the business. I think we'll get 23 only. So this first point is missing, so we just make it 23. Okay, then you will change everything over there. Okay, done. Perfect. So you will get this 23. So change one number, and you have this 23 points. This marketing strategy that you should remember at any cost. Okay, done. So that's it for today, and probably we'll start a new topic tomorrow. We'll just sort of explaining once in Canva so that they can start practicing on Canva. Yeah, because we have a holiday on Thursday again. So election holiday. Tomorrow we have the class Wednesday. So Thursday.
Education just ordered.
No, tomorrow schools are having a holiday because
School of Tech Leaders.
School of Tech Leaders all this school also. No, even the Thursday also some companies are not having holiday. They're managing their employees. So they're asking to vote in the morning and come in the afternoon. If anybody is having the out of station, for them it is a leave. If somebody is casting their vote within Hyderabad, off day is a leave for them. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Any doubts from the online? Do we have any doubts? Okay, so